So here is another question on sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. So it is given the sum of the first q terms of an AP is given by the expression 63q minus 3q square. If its pth term is minus 60, find the value of t. Also find the 11th term of the AP. Okay, so here for this AP, let's say we have the first term of the arithmetic progression written as A, okay, the first term, and D is the common difference. Now let me give you a situation. Let us say there are total of n terms in an arithmetic progression. So we write them as T1, T2, T3, Tn minus 1 and Tn. Now the sum of these n terms, it will be equal to Sn T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus Tn minus 1 plus Tn. This much. Now this is from the sum from the first to the last term. Now let's say we try to find out the sum of the first n minus 1 terms. N minus 1. So this here it will be from T1 to Tn minus 1, just the term before that. The first one, Sn, is from first to the last. This is from T1 to Tn minus 1. So this is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus Tn minus 1. Now suppose here we find out Sn minus Sn minus 1. So here if we subtract it, all the terms will get cancelled out. Okay, minus, 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 minus. So everything will get cancelled out, and the only thing that will remain is this, the nth term, the last nth term. So this is equal to Tn. Similarly, here if we do Sq, the sum of the first q terms minus the sum of the first q minus 1 terms, we will have the qth term Tq. Same way, same principle. So here first we'll determine Sq and Sq minus 1. So we have the Sq expression with us. So Sq is equal to 63q minus 3q square. Sq minus 1 will simply be replace q with q minus 1. 63q minus 1 minus 3q minus 1 whole square. So Sq minus 1, that is equal to 63 into q minus 1 minus 3 into q square plus 1 minus 2q. So this is equal to 63q minus 63 minus 3q square minus 3 plus 6q. Okay, minus 3q square minus 3 plus 6q. So this is equal to 63q plus 6q, that is 69q minus 63 minus 3 and minus 66 minus 3q square. This is Sq minus 1. So here Xq minus Sq minus 1 is Tq. So 63q minus 3q square minus 69q minus 66 minus 3q square, that is equal to tq. Okay, so this is equal to 63q minus 3q square minus 69q plus 66 plus 3q square. So minus 3q square plus 3q square is cancelled. So this is 63 minus 69, that is equal to minus 6q plus 66. So this is the general qth term of the arithmetic progression. The general qth term tq is equal to minus 6q plus 66. Okay, the general qth term, or you can say the general nth term expression, this. Now it is given that the pth term is minus 60, that is tp. For in the question it is given the pth term, okay, the pth term is minus 60. So if we substitute p instead of q here, so that implies minus 6p plus 66 is equal to minus 60. Okay, so that implies minus 6p is equal to minus 60 minus 66, that implies 6p is equal to minus 126. Minus minus gets cancelled, plus p is equal to 126 by 6, which is equal to how much? 21. Okay, p is equal to 21. The value of p was asked, find the value of p, so p is equal to 21. Then it is asked to find the 11th term. So T11, here in place of q we will substitute 11. So minus 6 into 11 plus 66, that is equal to minus 66 plus 66, that is equal to 0. So the 11th term is equal to 0. So we were asked to find the value of p and the 11th term. We have got. Okay, so here the important thing was this: the expression of SQ, the expression of SQ minus 1, and this SQ minus SQ minus 1 is equal to TQ, because we wanted to get a general expression for the term of this AP, any specific term of this AP in terms of a general expression, and we got it here. TQ is equal to minus 6Q plus 66. Same approach we used for P, we substituted that, and then we used to find out the 11th term using the same expression here. Okay.